The solar race is on to quickly boost the renewable energy industry. Elon Musk recently revealed an incredible power cell that has never been seen before. This innovative technology is less expensive and provides an endless supply of energy. Tesla Energy is Tesla Inc.'s clean energy subsidiary, developing, manufacturing, selling, and installing photovoltaic solar energy generation systems, battery energy storage products, and other related products and services to residential, commercial, and industrial customers. Hello guys, and welcome back to Entirely Elon Musk. Are you excited about this solar cell? What will the new Tesla 4.0 cells produce? How will they be different? And what is their unique functionality that's surprising everyone? If you're worried about these questions concerning the new cells by Tesla, don't worry because everything will be revealed in today's video. Just make sure to watch it till the end and don't forget to smash the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel for more uploads like this. Let's talk about Tesla solar panels a bit. Tesla Energy sells and installs traditional solar panels on existing roofs, dubbed retrofit solar systems by the company. Unlike the company's other products, Tesla Energy doesn't manufacture its own solar panels. Instead, by April 2022, the company will be using Tesla-branded solar panels manufactured under contract by Hanwha Q Cells. Previously, Tesla used Panasonic panels as part of a larger collaboration between the companies. Panasonic will exit the solar industry in January 2021. As of 2022, Tesla Energy offers 4 standard solar sizes: a small system with 12 4.8 kilowatt panels, a medium system with 48 19.2 kilowatts panels. According to the company, offering standardized system sizes can reduce prices by streamlining design, permitting, and logistics. In addition, the standard system sizes are also compatible with the Tesla Solar Inverter's capabilities. Moreover, Tesla uses the mounting hardware on the rooftops to eliminate the need for mounting rails as well as utilize skirts to hide the hardware, making the panels appear to be flush with the roof. Now coming to the 4.0 solar cell, as you may know, the standard silicon photovoltaic solar cell is the black and copper solar panel found on suburban rooftops and solar farms in America since 1950. Currently, crystalline silicon is used in 90% of the world's solar panels, and the industry is growing at a rate of about 30% per year. So what have we told you about a lighter, easier to manufacture, and less expensive material? It is a low-cost solution for creating an efficient cell. Ferroelectric crystal cells are photovoltaic cells that are thin enough to power a house. However, strong demand combined with manufacturing flaws has pushed the price of key materials, primarily polysilicon for solar panels, to an all-time high. The most expensive grade of polysilicon has increased to $40.62 per kilogram, surpassing last year's high of $40.34. As the silicon rods form in the reactor center, the makers take the 99 pure silicon metal and remove impurities until it's 99.9999 pure. The reactor walls must be kept cool to prevent silicon crystallization. However, maintaining that temperature difference requires a lot of energy, prompting Tesla to look for an alternative to silicon. The energy generation of ferroelectric crystals in solar cells can be multiplied by 1,000 because of a new innovation that involves the arrangement of thin layers of materials. Ferroelectric crystals differ from conventional silicon cells in that the PV effect is created without the use of a p-n junction. In other words, creating positively and negatively doped layers within the cell isn't necessary. According to the researchers, the change could make producing raw materials for solar panels easier. This new cell does not require any earthly resources to be mined. Instead, researchers use ferroelectrics such as barium titanate, a mixed oxide made of barium and titanium, because it's any material with a crystalline structure. This drastically reduces costs. Tesla doesn't need to invest heavily in professional employees or high-tech machinery to support production. As a result, these panels are estimated to cost up to 10 times less per watt than modern commercial silicon solar panels. Tesla's solar panels cost about 2.21 cents per watt before the federal solar tax credit, but this ferroelectric panel costs only 22 cents per watt. Previously, you had to be concerned about the cost of silicon solar panels, but this new Tesla innovation is a great solution for those who cannot afford them. But given the low cost, one has to wonder how much energy it can actually produce. In the first quarter of 2022, the United States installed 3.9 gigatons of solar PV capacity, bringing the total installed capacity to 126 gigatons direct current, enough to power 22 million American homes. Moreover, solar accounted for half of all new electricity generating capacity added in the year's first quarter. According to Elon Musk, Tesla's new cell will change the game because it can generate more energy than ever to achieve this increase in electrical energy production. The researchers created crystalline layers of barium titanate, strontium titanate, and calcium titanate that they alternately slacked on top of one another to separate positive and negative charges in the same photovoltaic device. This configuration could significantly improve the efficiency of solar panels, but pure barium tellurate and ferroelectric crystal doesn't absorb much sunlight and thus generates a comparatively low photocurrent. By experimenting with different material combinations, the researchers discovered that combining extremely thin layers of different materials significantly increases the solar energy yield. This was accomplished by vaporizing the crystals and redepositing them on carrier substrates using a high-powered laser. Compared to pure barium titanate, this resulted in a material with 500 layers of about 200 nanometers thick. Even after reducing the proportion of the base element of the mixture by nearly 2/3, the new photoelectric material irradiated with laser light had a current flow that's 1,000 times stronger and more efficient. In addition, the interaction of the lattice layers appears to result in a significantly higher permittivity. In other words, the excitation by light photons allows electrons to flow much more freely. The measurements also reveal that this effect is extremely robust and nearly constant. For example, a large Tesla solar system of 11.34 kilowatts can produce an average of 43 to 50 kilowatt hours per day, equivalent to 1,500 kilowatt hours per week over a 6-month period. It can generate 1.5 million kilowatt hours per week, so don't be surprised. The ferroelectric cell development plan is a significant step forward for Tesla as well as the future renewable energy market. This cell is expected to realize Elon Musk's ambition of providing electricity to the entire nation, the United States. I'm extremely confident that solar will have at least a plurality of power, if not a majority, in less than 20 years. A future with more solar energy could pave the way for a variety of new applications. For example, in your Model Y, you can incorporate those panels into public transportation on the road and imagine buildings with transparent windows that generate electricity. What a thrill! So what are the difficulties with ferroelectric solar cells? High temperatures are a common issue with thin films because they shorten their lifespan. Silicon crystal is the best choice for the western states. Tesla is currently working on developing a thin film that can withstand extreme temperatures. Their work has the potential to be part of a revolution in ferroelectric materials, with applications in computer memory capacitors and other electronic devices. For example, a silicon solar panel can last for 25 years, whereas this ferroelectric cell is new and needs to be studied in the lab. With $56 million in new funding, U.S. President Biden has launched a series of initiatives to boost domestic solar PV manufacturing. What do you think of the Tesla 4.0 solar cells and their functionality? Do you find them amazing? Let's know your views in the comments section below. Also, for more uploads like this, make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on any updates.